Khalid the Kid Art, and we believe in every kid's ability to create. And so what I'm doing is 3D printing pieces for a ring. So when I first did it,
what kind of ring?
A Power Rangers team ring, because me and my brother made our own team, and so since I have a 3D printer, they wanted me to build it instead of building.
Okay, so what's the name of your Power Ranger team?
The Zenith Force.
All right.
And so I did this when I first got it. Okay, so now I had to save it. So what I'm going to do is go to Save As. And once I do that, it says Save and Document. But first I have to put in STL format. Here we go. And put it in Document. And file name, I'll do it Ring 1. And as I do that, it says, then save, continue. Now open Kira. See, here we go. There you go.
So what is?
So Kira is the website you go to. So if you do it, so if it comes at that, you always press no, okay? And so after that, I'll go to File and press Load Model File. And then now I'm going to go back to Documents and look for the one I did. Let's see. Ring 1. Open. And so as I had that, so you can see it's really cool, right? So as it's really cool, that's what I did. And now let's go to the next step. Oh, now I gotta get my 3D micro bit. So now what I'm gonna do is put this micro SD card. And so what I'm doing now, after loading it into this, transferring it to this through the card right here. Now I'm going to put it into the 3D printer. And so now what I'm going to do is go to exit if you have this type of printer. Print. Press that button. And now I'm just going to look for the one I did. Now let's see. So after doing it, now I'm going to press that, finding the one I did. And so now it is preheating it to where it's supposed to be. So now it's 3D printing the sphere. And so as it's doing it, it is really cool.
It's finishing. It should be done by now.
That is so awesome. You can see the light shining on it.